Looking to upgrade your trailer deck with something strong, durable, and long-lasting? In this video, we're diving into the best plywood for trailer deck that offers the perfect balance of toughness, weather resistance, and ease of installation. Whether you are rebuilding an old trailer or starting a new project, we have got you covered. All product links are in the description below, so let us get started with the video. At number 1, the Woodpeckers Baltic Birch Plywood is an excellent choice for anyone seeking strong and durable plywood for a trailer deck. Made from high-quality birchwood, these square-shaped plywood pieces are designed to offer maximum stability and resilience. With a multi-coated structure, this plywood is heavy-duty and provides superior holding power for both glue and screws. The clean birch edges allow for tighter and more seamless joinery, which is especially beneficial for trailer applications where strength and durability are crucial. What makes this plywood truly stand out is the beautiful Baltic birch itself. Grown in the cold northern forests, it features a fine lengthwise grain that is not only visually appealing but also takes stain exceptionally well, giving your trailer deck a polished and professional finish. The sheets are precision cut to a true size of 9 7/8 inches by 9 7/8 inches, ensuring consistency in every piece. Engineered with laser cutters and scroll saws in mind, this plywood glides smoothly through cutting tools, making it highly suitable for detailed and efficient woodwork. Whether you are using a CNC router or an engraving machine, the thick face veneer provides a reliable surface that enhances both performance and finish. Graded B/BB, the plywood has a clean, smooth face and a back veneer with only minor patches, ensuring both aesthetics and function. With exceptional customer support and a wide selection available, Woodpeckers Baltic Birch Plywood is a dependable and versatile option for your trailer deck project. Taking the second spot is the Alluvium Acacia wood decking tiles by Green Alluvium, a premium solution for trailer decking that combines natural beauty with impressive durability. Made from high-quality acacia wood, these square-shaped tiles are engineered to handle heavy foot traffic, support substantial weight from furniture or cargo, and endure harsh outdoor conditions without warping or degrading over time. Their strength and aesthetic appeal make them an ideal choice for upgrading or building a trailer deck that looks great and performs even better. Installation is made incredibly easy with a no-tools-required interlocking design that allows for quick setup. There is no need for underlayment or adhesives, and the secure snap-together system prevents any unwanted movement, letting you transform your trailer deck in just minutes. The natural wood color and smooth square form bring a clean, classic appearance to any surface, enhancing the overall look of your trailer. Safety is also a key feature, with a slip-resistant textured surface that offers excellent grip, even in wet conditions. The tiles are also designed with splinter-free edges, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience. These tiles are treated to resist weather damage and harmful ultraviolet rays, protecting them from fading, discoloration, and cracking. Additionally, a smart drainage base helps keep the surface dry and secure by allowing water to flow through efficiently. At number 3, the Artlicious 1/8 inch Baltic Birch Plywood offers a reliable and versatile option for trailer decking and a wide range of woodworking applications. Crafted from premium Baltic birch and featuring a 3-ply, 3mm thickness, this plywood is known for its exceptional strength and stability despite its lightweight profile. Each of the 20 pieces in this set is shaped in a precise number form, offering both functionality and a consistent finish for various projects. One of the standout features of this plywood is its void-free core, which significantly enhances glue bonding and screw holding power. This makes it an ideal choice for trailer decking, where a strong, dependable material is essential. Additionally, the core layers are bonded with marine-grade exterior adhesive, offering enhanced water resistance and durability even under outdoor conditions. Whether exposed to moisture or varying temperatures, this plywood maintains its structure and integrity. Engineered with precision, the smooth surface is well suited for laser cutting and engraving, providing clean, sharp lines that make it an excellent material for detailed and decorative woodwork. Though commonly used in crafting applications such as drawer sides, box bottoms, and shop jigs, its strength and resistance to warping make it equally suitable for functional use in trailer decks. Affordable, stable, and easy to work with, the Artlicious Baltic Birch Plywood delivers an ideal combination of performance and cost-effectiveness. It is a smart choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade a trailer deck with a plywood that is not only dependable but also easy to handle and finish. Next on our list is the TX liteart Baltic Birch Plywood, a high-quality and eco-conscious option that delivers both strength and sustainability for your trailer decking needs. This value pack includes 20 sheets of approximately 3 mm thick plywood, each measuring 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches. These square sheets are crafted from premium Baltic birch, featuring A-grade wood veneer on both sides and a void-free core that ensures exceptional bonding strength and superior screw-holding capacity, an essential feature for trailer deck construction. Each sheet is individually wrapped in non-toxic POF shrink film, offering better moisture resistance during transport while also being more environmentally friendly compared to traditional PVC wrap. This added protection means your plywood arrives in optimal condition and is ready for immediate use. Designed for versatility, this plywood is ideal for laser cutting, engraving, and a variety of do-it-yourself projects. However, its durability and clean finish make it just as suitable for more demanding uses like trailer flooring or outdoor decking. One of the standout aspects of the TX liteart brand is its commitment to sustainability. These plywood sheets are responsibly sourced from well-managed forests, with practices such as reforestation and selective logging ensuring an eco-friendly production process. Additionally, the smart decision to cut each sheet to 11.8 inches rather than a full 12 inches minimizes material waste, allowing the company to provide high-quality wood at a more affordable price point. At number 5, the OMTech 12-pack walnut plywood stands out as a refined and durable option for trailer decking and intricate woodworking projects. Each sheet in this set measures 12 inches by 12 inches and is crafted from 1/8 inch thick walnut plywood. These rectangular boards combine lightweight flexibility with robust strength, offering excellent resistance to warping and cracking. This ensures that your trailer deck or any DIY creation maintains its shape and integrity for years to come. What makes this walnut plywood particularly appealing is its smooth surface and rich grain, which provide an elegant and natural aesthetic. Whether you are enhancing the look of your trailer deck or building decorative elements, these walnut sheets offer a premium finish that is both eye-catching and timeless. Their uniform texture also makes them an excellent canvas for painting, staining, or sealing, allowing for complete customization based on your specific design preferences. Versatility is a key feature, as these sheets are well suited for a wide range of tools. Whether you are using a utility knife, scroll saw, or laser engraver, the OMTech walnut plywood cuts cleanly and accurately. This makes it ideal not only for trailer decking, but also for crafting architectural models, holiday decorations, and personalized gifts. Additionally, the 12-sheet pack offers ample material for both large and small projects, and the quality of the wood makes it a thoughtful gift for do-it-yourself enthusiasts.